Okay guys, now we are going to start and we've got summary completion. I advise you to do this question type first. Summary completion. So we've got these questions. Choose no more than two words. Choose no more than two words from the passage for each answer. No more than two. What does it mean? Maximum two. Minimum? Absolutely. And have they used any number? No. So one word or maximum? Two words, right? What steps should schools take to reduce bullying? What steps should schools take to reduce bullying? Now listen. Look for the word step. Step. Paragraph E. Absolutely. That's right. Well done. Come to paragraph E. Can you see? Evidence suggests that a key step is. What does it mean? It means all the answers will be found in this paragraph or this paragraph onwards. Kaam aasan ho gaya? Yeah, all the answers will be found. Now we have found the location, so we read the question carefully. Let's go back to questions. Okay, let's read the question here. I'm reading question number 35. The most important step is for the school authorities to produce, underline produce, and listen, most important step is to produce a, means answer will be noun, answer will be singular noun, which makes the school's attitude towards bullying. Now go back, produce, for produce they might use the word develop. Good, very good. So, in paragraph E, let's read it. Evidence suggests that a key step means most important step. Key step is to develop a policy. Develop a policy. What is the word for develop? Produce. Produce and develop, and answer is policy. Clear? Yeah. Listen. To develop a policy on bullying, saying clearly what is meant by bullying. See that the whole thing is about bullying at school. So when it comes to developing a policy, it's understood that school has to develop a policy. Yeah, if you read on, you'll find school as well. Okay, now let's go on. Question number 36. I'm reading it after full stop. After full stop, quite clear. It should include it. What do they mean by it? Policy. Policy. This is very important, which makes the school attitude towards bullying quite clear. It should include means policy should include detailed dash as to how the school and its staff will react if bullying occurs. It means policy should include detailed something. Now let's go back. Good. All right. Detailed. For detailed, they use the word explicit. I'm reading second line. Meant by bullying and giving explicit guidelines on what will be done if it occurs. It occurs means bullying occurs. Explicit guideline. Explicit means detailed, and answer is guidelines, plural. They have written plural. You write plural. Guidelines. अब जिनको समझ नहीं आ रही थी उनकी जान में जान आ गई. Guidelines, I know. Okay, don't worry, you'll be fine. All right. After this, question number 37, please. Question number 37. Okay, I'm reading it after 36. Guidelines as to how the schools and its staff will react if bullying occurs. In addition means furthermore, additionally, and all that. In addition, action can be taken through the dash. Now, how they can take action? Action can be taken through dash. Okay, let's go back. Yeah, action can be taken through dash. So look for the word action. Paragraph E, second part. Paragraph E and then the next paragraph. Other actions can be taken. Got it? Now let's read from here. Other actions can be taken to back up the policy. There are ways of dealing with the topic through the curriculum. So how to deal with that? Through the curriculum. And be careful with the spelling. In IELTS reading, if you have a spelling mistake, it's your own careless mistake, because words are written in the passage and you have to copy from there. So correct answer is curriculum. All right, now we go back once again. Question number 38. Now there is a new paragraph. Effective work can also be done with individual pupils and small groups. Effective work can also be done with individual pupil and small group. For example, potential. Now let me tell you honestly, answer will come after the synonym of potential. Potential dash of bullying can be trained to be more self-confident. So let's go on. Exactly, it's the second last paragraph. Let's go on. Please follow second last paragraph. Found it? Second last paragraph is there are also. So I'm reading from there. There are also ways of working with individual pupil. Pupil means students, or in small groups. Assertiveness training for pupils who are liable to be victims. Now liable to be victims means potential victims. Answer is victims. Got the point? Liable to be victim means potential victim. Potential means जिसके साथ ये हो सकता है. Potential victims and liable to be. So liable to be is the synonym of potential, and answer is victims. Singular or plural? It is plural in the passage, so you will write it plural. Victims. Alright, question number 39. Playground. Now playground is your clue word. Playground supervision will be more effective if members of staff are trained to recognize difference between bullying and dash. Now what is second thing? Difference between bullying and mere dash. Okay, that's good. Which paragraph is that? Very next paragraph, exactly. Work in playground, as it was your clue word. Work in playground is important too. One helpful step is to train lunchtime supervisors to distinguish bullying from playful fighting. You know, sometimes children, they are playfully fighting. They are not actually fighting, it's playful fighting. प्यार से थप्पड़ मार दी. Okay. So answer is playful fighting. Well done. Okay, now we've got the last question. This is called global multiple choice question. And why do we call it global? Because for question number 40, now you will not read the passage. And when there is one multiple choice question at the end of the question list, in passage 1, passage 2, passage 3, it means that is global multiple choice question. Now what is global? Global does not mean international. Global means this multiple choice question covers whole passage. Right? Now let's see what's the title. Question number 40. Question number 40. Choose the correct letter ABC. Which of the following is most suitable title for reading passage 3? Now listen to me carefully. They have given 4 options. 3 options will cover small portions in the passage, and 1 option will cover all the passage. So you need to look for an option that is more like an umbrella and it covers all the passage, right? So let's just see. We go on. Question number 40. Option A, please follow me. Bullying. What parents can do? Now, do you think all the passage was about what parents can do? No. Not at all. Option B, bullying. Are the media to blame? No. No. Now your success rate is 50-50. In multiple choice questions, elimination is the best strategy. What is elimination? A, no. B, not at all. Now it's 50-50. Option C, bullying, the link with academic failure. Okay, let's see. Option D, bullying, from crisis management to prevention. Absolutely. Crisis management and then prevention, policies and curriculum and this and that. So D will be the right option for question number 40. Huh?